Okay. Any other doubts, guys? Yeah, Akhil Reddy.
Hi, Raj.
Yeah.
I have three different sheets, and each sheet has a pie chart. And at the dashboard level, I want to place these three sheets since the automatic resizing doesn't take place.
Automatic?
No, resizing means if I want to select only one means only one chart come, remaining should resize at the dashboard level.
Resize in the sense they should not be visible.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, you can
And it should
use,
be occupied.
yeah, you can use sheets for
It is
that,
not
right?
occupied.
Now here I am taking
It
a
is not.
vertical container and here I am dragging. Imagine these are your pie chart. Okay.
Yeah, it is coming for bar chart and text table,
I got
but
the
it is
point. I got the
for
point.
pie charts and
Do one thing. The problem here is when you create a pie chart, right? You don't have anything in your dimensions and measures. Actually, the sheet nullification happens only if something is present in here. And here what I'm doing is I'm just placing some random text. I'm just placing pi here. Just hide these and also this. Right? Now let me duplicate this and then duplicate it again. And with parameter 1 I'm writing parameter 1 is equal to 1. Okay, I'm dragging this to filter. Now here I'm writing another field. Parameter 1 is equal to 2. I'm dragging it to the filter. False, exclude. Okay. Now I can do with these two more. I'm bringing my vertical container in here. Drag your 5 of 2 and 5 of 3. Right? Height title. Now show the parameter. This is my parameter. Here if it is 2, you are not seeing this because let me go to sheet 3. We are letting me go region and if you see don't go with this guys. This is all better type it in here. Now if you select 1 you will see region. If you select 2 you will see subcontinent. Okay? Okay.
will it close for all options?
Pardon?
For all options, means all three charts at the same time.
You want to see if all just right?
Yeah.
No, just calculation. Not this calculation. Oh, when it is all, you cannot take numeric, you need to take string parameters. So, or like here you use some string, right? Or parameter is equal to or, parameter 1 is equal to or, right? And in your parameter, use all option. Okay? You'll get that. Or let me do it. Okay. Okay.